Lizards are small reptiles that we usually don't think of as pests. Lizards are commonly seen as beneficial animals since they eat bugs that we don't want to deal with. However, they'll occasionally invade our properties in search of food, water, and shelter, and this usually ends up with them dying somewhere in the house or yard, leading to ant infestations or activity from other pests. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and control lizards and geckos from invading so your home stays lizard-free. To shop for the products featured in this video and learn even more about lizard control, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Though there are over 4,000 lizard species, the most common home-invading lizards in the US are the common house gecko and the Carolina Anole. Common house geckos can be seen throughout the United States, but are more common for homeowners in the South. They can grow to be 3 to 6 inches in length. They have slender bodies, long tails, 4 legs, and scaly skin. Their body colors include brown, green, and gray, and often feature spotted patterns. The Carolina Anole is more common in the southeastern United States, from Texas to the East Coast. It can grow to be 8 inches in length, and they have bright green or brown skin. Male anoles also have pink throat fans. Lizards are active throughout the year, but these cold-blooded animals may be more likely to invade structures during winter, when our homes provide shelter, heat, and possible food and water sources. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. To reiterate, lizards belong outside. If you see one inside your home, that's an obvious indicator for action. Lizards can often be found hiding behind furniture or clutter in your garage, kitchen, foyer, mudrooms, or anywhere there's an entry point that leads outside. When conducting your inspection, note any possible entry point that lizards can use to get in your home. This includes gaps in doors, windows, or any openings in the wall. You'll use this information to direct your treatment and prevention. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment, or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Lizard and gecko control doesn't focus on treating the lizards directly. Instead, we're simply encouraging them to go somewhere else by removing their food sources, bugs, and insects. You'll use insecticides like Bifen LP and Reclaim IT to get rid of insects around your home. Bifen LP is a granular insecticide that will need to be watered into the soil to activate, so we also recommend following up with a broadcast treatment of Reclaim IT. These insecticides will work together to kill and get rid of insect pests, such as cockroaches, spiders, flies, fleas, crickets, and many more insects around your home, and they offer a residual for up to 3 months. To start, you'll need to calculate your treatment area's square footage by measuring the area's length and width and multiplying them together. You'll use this information to determine how much product you'll need to use. For effective treatment, use a push spreader to make a broadcast application of Bifen LP over your entire lawn. We recommend you use the rate of 2.3 pounds of Bifen LP per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Load your spreader with a measured amount of Bifen based on your square footage and evenly distribute it all over your yard. Broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once you've finished your Bifen LP application, water it in with an application of Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate, so will need to be mixed with water before application. Reclaim IT won't only aid in activating the Bifen granules, but it can also be used for making barrier treatments around your home or structure and spraying ornamental plant beds. We recommend you apply Reclaim at a rate of 1 fluid ounce per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. You'll want to use a hand pump sprayer due to its ease of use and the variety of applications you'll be making. To use a hand pump sprayer, open the sprayer, add half a gallon of water, and add your measured amount of Reclaim IT. Add the remaining half gallon, close the sprayer, and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump your sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. First, make a broadcast application of Reclaim IT throughout your entire lawn. The goal is to activate the Bifen LP granules while also treating the largest areas where your bugs could harbor. Once you've made an even application of Reclaim IT over your lawn, you'll then treat your ornamental plants and landscape beds around your property. This will treat resting and hiding spots for many insects, like flies or June bugs. After you've treated your lawn, you'll then spray a barrier treatment around the entry points of your home. Be sure to spray around doors, around the garage door, around windows, voids in the wall and utility penetrations, and light fixtures. Remember, all of this is to control the insect population on your property so that lizards and geckos will search for food elsewhere. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you have applied your pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen again. Lizards and geckos often invade our homes by accident when they're looking for food, water, or shelter, so you'll want to take measures to minimize their chances of getting in and discourage them from coming in the first place. Address all entry points you found during your inspection, fix any broken door or window seals, and block off voids in the wall with copper mesh. This will not only stop lizards and geckos from invading, but it'll also stop insects from entering your home or structure. Don't allow any food to be left unattended, including pet food. Lizards are omnivores, and while their diet mainly consists of bugs, they won't hesitate to eat fruits or vegetables if it's available. Food that's been left out will also attract insects, which in turn will attract more lizard activity. Drain any sources of standing water in and around your home. All animals need water, including lizards. By draining these water sources, you'll force lizards and geckos to look elsewhere. To monitor for future invasions, you can set up glue traps like the Catchmaster 72MB glue boards. If a lizard makes it into your home without your knowledge, it's likely that they're going to die in a concealed location. By monitoring with glue boards, you can catch any pest, lizards or insects that made their way inside, and use that information to address further holes you may have missed. Finally, be sure to conduct follow-up treatments with Bifen LP and Reclaim IT every 3 months to ensure insects stay out of your yard so the local lizards can hunt away from your home. Lizards and geckos belong outside, and if they find their way in, they'll often end up dying of starvation. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can control the insect population around your home and stop lizards and geckos from coming inside. We also offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.